to our look at the upcoming July 29th trading session. In front of you, I have the economic calendar as per usual, and on the Wednesday session, we have a multitude of announcements. The first one that we would be paying attention to would actually be crude oil inventories. Not listed as a major market mover, but obviously it is in the petroleum complex. And with the sell-off that we have seen in the oil markets, this could be very important. After that, we see the Fed funds rate in the FOMC statement. That, of course, can move everything. We think that the stock markets will be somewhat volatile. We also recognize that the US dollar will probably be a mover during the session as well. With all of that being said, we have had a slight bounce in the WTI grade of oil during the session on Tuesday, and quite frankly, it was needed. This is a market that's been falling apart. This should offer a little bit of a rally in order to continue buying puts. We're looking for a resistive candle, and we think there is plenty of resistance all the way to $50 to make that happen. We have no interest in buying calls at the moment. The S&P 500 initially tried to rally during the session on Tuesday, but as you can see, has struggled a bit, forming a shooting star. Perhaps we have to grind a little bit lower. We still think there's a line in the sand somewhere around 2045. So as long as we stay above there, we're not really going to be too interested in buying puts. We're going to be interested in buying calls on supportive candles or some type of impulsive move higher. Probably stick to short-term charts, though. The euro has pulled back against the US dollar during the session on Tuesday. We do think that 110 will be a bit supportive for the euro. It's definitely a big area. As you can see, it's been resistance and support in the past, so we'll have to see what happens. A bounce off of 110, though, does have us buying calls for short-term upside trade. A significant move below 110 has us buying puts. And with that, we've taken a look at the July 29th trading session.